Akhil
It's okay,
and
ma'am. I
team.
will.
Yes.
It's okay, ma'am. I will send now.
Okay. What about Nikhil and Sharan? Nikhil and Sharan. Sharan is there? The students respond no, because tomorrow HOD sir, he wants to know the status of your project. Many of the students still they have not given the project title only. What status you will give to HOD? Huh? Are you there? Sharan and team. Nikhil and Sharan.
Yes, ma'am. We'll update it today.
How many days you need? And what status you will give to HOD tomorrow? Pavan and Sai Kumar.
ಸಂಜೆ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾವು?
ಸಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪಕ್ಕ ಸಂಜೆ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Someshri and Varsha.
Paytm payment of
Yes, Someshri and Varsha.
108
ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Rashmi. Who's your team member, Rashmi?
Ma'am, Shushmita ma'am.
Then why Rashmi has not submitted the title?
Ma'am, I'm submitting now.
Why now? You did not get 1 minute time also to submit? Yesterday only I told Wednesday during lab session, HOD sir is going to check the status of your mini project. Even after telling that also, you people are not updating. I should waste my class and I should ask all these questions, sir. Akrut and Santosh. Yeah, you can use. You can use Kaushik. Is Akrut, are you there? Akrut and Santosh, respond. Yes, Akrut. Where is your project title? Santosh.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
When? If today you are going to decide your project, then what you will tell if tomorrow HOD will ask how many modules you are going to include, what are the functionality you are planning to include, then what you will tell? You were aware of this during the beginning of the semester only, no? Yes, students, can you see the screen? Yes, group 1, Annaga and team, Annaga and Divya. Quickly, you tell me what you are going to do in this online charity. Have you decided the functionalities and modules?
Yes, ma'am. We have thought about it, ma'am. There will be
Tomorrow HOD
three
sir is
model.
going to... Okay, huh.
Yes, ma'am.
You should tell him what is the status. Okay. Akhil and team. Online bakery management. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಖಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಭಿಲಾಷ್. Salary management system. What Akrut and Santosh? What is all-in-one workspace? Mohit and Anusha?
Ma'am, it is basically where user has to log in and he has to, there is a option where to-do list and all that, and countdown for his work, like 30 minutes I have to sit and work in some space, like without any distraction. It is like that, like productivity improvement application.
Functionalities, modules, everything you have decided?
Yes, ma'am, we are deciding.
Okay. Shipping management system?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shipping of goods, ma'am. Goods and products.
Arifullah and Manoj?
Yes, ma'am.
What is institute management system?
Ma'am, private institutions ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Benaka and Hemalata?
It's an e-commerce website for a temple, ma'am.
Okay. Banu Prakash and Bhargav?
We have decided it's all about lead management system.
Okay. Charan and Rahmatullah?
Yes, ma'am.
What modules you are going to implement in this? What are the functionalities?
I already decided. It is going to include all the news, ma'am. It will scrape all the updated news every time.
Okay. Chaitra and Diksha?
Ma'am, it's a website for interior designing projects.
What is the title?
Intera.
If you see the title, then how we will understand what you are going to implement in that?
Ma'am, it's like a name, that's it.
Okay. Chandana and Lavanya?
Yes, ma'am.
What you are going to do in this?
Ma'am, it's about weather report, ma'am, using API.
Darshan and Kaushik?
Ma'am, it's online food ordering. It's similar to e-commerce websites like Amazon.
Okay.
Like Zomato, ma'am. Food ordering.
Okay. Dakshani and Lakshmi.
Ma'am, this is about taking online aptitude exam, ma'am, for preparing for interviews.
Okay. Ishan and Manish.
Ma'am, it's about essentials, ma'am, like food and notification when slots are available for vaccine, news about COVID, etc. Ma'am.
Okay. Huma and Jayant.
Movie management, ma'am, like booking seats, theater list, like that. Similar to Book My Show.
Okay. Nawal and Samir.
Ma'am, it's about like a student information, like
The report of the student.
So that we can take the report of the student, like what he is doing in extracurricular activities, and make report of that and show in the web page.
Navya. Okay. Navya and Sugandhini.
Ma'am, it's COVID application with like present disadvantages what the people are facing. We are going to implementing that, ma'am.
Okay. Sharan and Nikhil. Your title, still they have not given the title. Panindra and Sri Vishnu.
Ma'am, we are creating an interface to interact actively.
These titles are, look, say 1 minute. College management system, and one more here I have seen institute management system. This team and the other that team, you both of you talk, and the functionality should be different. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We are creating an interface to interact parents, students, and lecturers, ma'am. That's not like that, ma'am. Institute.
Pawan and Sai Kumar, try to submit the title early. Pooja and Tripti, resort management.
Yes, ma'am. It's about the booking and online viewing site, ma'am.
Okay. Purnima and Shashank, what you are going to do in this? Digi shop.
Ma'am, e-commerce website online shopping.
For?
Online shopping.
Online shopping. Raman and Sushmita, you.
Yes, ma'am. It is like a bookstore, which will connect, ma'am, seller and buyer, like students and those who are selling the books from shop. It is also for, ma'am, if you want to buy second hand or you want to buy some art product. It is like that.
Okay. Rashmi and Sushmita.
Ma'am, it's a quiz-based examinations, ma'am, for this.
Okay. Rupak and Ansari.
yes, ma'am. It will be a to-do list web application which we are trying to use blockchain technology.
Blockchain technology. Okay. Sheetal and Shivani.
Ma'am, it's a sports management system. Where there'll be two admin and a student, where the admin will be adding on the events and everything, where a student can register through it and participate it in, ma'am.
Varsha and Sushma. Soumeshri and Soumeshri and Varsha.
Ma'am, event planning, ma'am. Place ಮತ್ತೆ food department.
Okay. Sushma and Tirtha.
Yes, ma'am. It's a website where if some women they have any confusion regarding they can take advices from the experts.
Okay. It is only for women.
Yes, ma'am. To minimize the.
Okay. Spurti and Veena.
Ma'am, it's the online booking system before we visiting the zoo and park, ma'am.
Okay. Hey students, tomorrow during lab time, HOD sir is going to see the He wants to check the review. He wants to take the status of all the students. You tell him what are the functionalities you are planning and what is the status. You tell him we have decided the title. We are working on that. So whatever you are doing, you can tell him. Yes, students, in last class we have seen so many program examples using jQuery. Yes, students, using jQuery you can execute very interesting programs. In last class we have seen that hide and visible that hiding program we have seen. So I explained you. So once again, let me open that program once again. Yes, students, here in this program was using button to hide some content. This program was using button to hide some content. So what was happening here, what is happening here in this program is what I want to hide. What I want to hide is here I want to hide P. So wherever the P tag will be there, everything will be hidden in a one click. Wherever a P tag will be there, everything will be hidden in one click. But one more program also we have seen in the last class, that is again the same click program. Here I am not using a button, just a mouse click program. It is a mouse click program. Here also 3 paragraphs are there in the in this program also. In the previous program also 3 paragraphs are there. 3 paragraphs are there, but here using button. But in this program I'm using a button, and when I click on the button, P should hide. So here entire P is hiding when I click on the button. But here one more program, here also I'm hiding on one click, but here I'm not using a button. But here what is happening, one by one a paragraph is hiding. Why one by one paragraph is hiding? Because here this means the current line or the current paragraph or the current data. So when you click on this line, that is click me away, that only that particular line should be hidden. Only that particular line should be hidden. Yes, but here in this program the entire P will be hidden. Yes, students, getting this difference? So similar to this, and today I want to explain some other programs. In yesterday's class, one student asked me, can you you're showing the hide, can you do show? Yes, you can do that also. Here we are hiding the content of a P tag, and here we are showing the content of P tag. In P tag, see here students, here whatever the data we have written, here entire in the P tag everything will be hidden. Here everything will be shown. Here I am not using this. If I use this, then only the current data will be hidden. If I use this dot show, only the current data will be shown. Yes, students, you are understanding now the difference between P and this? The difference between P and this. So here one paragraph is there. So I'll include one more paragraph. No, let me execute and show, then I'll include the paragraph. The students, first I'll run this program. So what if you click on the hide button, I will disappear. Yes, if you click on the hide button, I will disappear. So this is the content. This is written in the P tag. You can see in the source code also. You can see in the program also. Only one statement is there in the P tag, students. Only one statement is there. So now what I do, I'll click on the hide button. I'll click on the hide button. So what happened? The data is hidden. Now I'll click on the show button. The data is again visible. The data is shown on the web page. Getting? Yes, students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, students, once again I'll explain this program. As I told in the last class, here we are using a jQuery library link. So here I'm using a complete path. There are two ways to execute a jQuery program. One is download the jQuery file, jQuery library file, and save in your folder, and you can by which name you have saved that jQuery library file. If you just give here that file name, that is enough. Or here I have not downloaded that jQuery library file, you can give the path of that jQuery. You can give the path of that jQuery, and from here your jQuery program is going to start. This is the jQuery object document.ready function. So here what action I am going to perform is, that is a click function. A click function. When I click on the click function, what should happen? When I click, what should happen? That is, the data should be hidden. The data should be hidden. And when I one more function I have, that is show function. Show function. When I click on the second button, what should happen? What should happen? The data should be visible. So coming to this body tag. Coming to the body tag, here I have two buttons. Here I have two buttons. That is, yes, students, don't get confused. Here, what is this hide and what is this show? In the input, in the button, whatever the ID I have given, the same thing I have taken. Why? Because when I click on when this button should, when I click on this button, then what should happen? Then that's why I have given this ID value here. So whatever the content we have given here, so it should hide. And when I click on show button, it should display the content. Now I am including one more P tag, students. P. This is both the lines should disappear and both the lines should show. Why? Because here I'm not calling this. Here I'm not telling this. Here I'm calling the entire P tag. Yes, students, what is what is happening? You're getting the difference? ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
All contents of the paragraph are getting hidden.
Yes, yes. Yes, students, see here. When I click on hide, why hello is not hiding?
Because it's a body content, not a paragraph content.
Yes, yes. So see here, students, what is happening here is here I'm hide and show function I'm using for p tags. So wherever the p tags are there, only those content will be hidden. Here one more line I have added using b tag, that is a bold tag. Using bold tag, one more line I have added. So when I click on, when I'm clicking on hide button, or when I'm clicking on the hide button, it is not hiding. Why it is not hiding? Because it is not a part of p tag. Now one more p tag I will add after that b button. After that bold tag, I'm adding a p tag. Then it should also, according to the program, it should also disappear and it should also show. We'll see what happens. This is program. Here students, observe what it is showing in the output. First, if you click on the hide button, I will disappear. And the second line is this is jQuery program, and these two statements are p tag sentences or statements, and this is a hello is using bold tag, and again this is a program. This is in a p tag. Now if I click now when I click on hide button, then other than hello, all these three lines should be hidden. Yes. So when I click on show, it is showing. So this is a hide and show. And one more thing, students, what is happening here? What is happening here? If I click on hide, it is hiding. If I click on show, it is showing. Quickly it is doing. We can also give a time. You can also include a time in hiding and showing. You can also make a delay. You can also make a delay. Yes, students, you're getting what is delay. When I click on that slow motion videos will come now, so their delay will be there. Slow motion activities will, you can see on mobile phone or in some videos, there a delay will be there. Similarly, here also, when I click on this hide, then quickly it is hiding. When I click on the show, quickly it is showing. You can also include a delay in the program. You can also include a delay in the program. That is here hide 1000. So it should hide after it will be, generally it will be in a milliseconds. It will be in a milliseconds. I'll run so that you'll get a idea how it will show. Yes, students, how it is hiding? How it is hiding? You observe the output.
Yes, ma'am.
And now I will remove that. I will remove the timing. I will remove the milliseconds, the delay time. Now you can see how it is hiding.
Fast, ma'am.
Yeah, quickly it is hiding. Now you can also include. Now I will. Previously it was 1000. No, now I will make 2000. 2000 time delay. So again, slowly it will disappear. Yes, students. Now I'll change it to 5,000. Every time you need to save the program. If you don't save, then it will not reflect in the program. See students, see the speed. Speed is reducing now.
Yes, ma'am.
See, all these things you can include in your mini project. All these things you can include in the mini project. See, this program is similar to the previous program. So here only one button, that is hide button. Hide button. You can also include one more button, show button. So I will modify this program. Show. These students, you observe the difference between each program. Here directly I have taken button. Why? Because here ID I have not included. If I include type is equal to ID, then here the ID value, ID is equal to some, whatever the value I take, so that value will be taken here. So you can see here, you can see in this program. Yes, students, please see the screen and observe the difference. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ID hide, ID show. Here with the jQuery object I have taken show and I have taken hide and show. Yes, students. Getting the you're understanding the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Here in this program, just I have taken button and directly here you can take a button with a jQuery object. Here I have taken one more button, that is show. For show also. What happened?
Ma'am,
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಬಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಟನ್ ಬಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Better I include a ID. So include ID, so there will not be any confusion. ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'll do one thing. In this program only, I'll try to include the delay. Yes, students, for the previous program only, I'm doing the changes in the previous program only. Observe the difference, students. The height delay I have given 1000 milliseconds and show delay I have given 5000 milliseconds. Yes, students, for height I have given 1000 milliseconds and for show I have given 5000 milliseconds. Yes. Yes, students. You can also include the delay in the buttons. But why? Yes, students, why what is anybody can guess what is wrong in this program? Click function.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಇದು ರೀಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ರೀಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
ಇದು ರೀಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇದು ಶೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಒಳಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, yes.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, correct. Now I'll get.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇದು ರೆಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ರೆಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. One minute. Okay. See here, I have opened ready function. click here. I'm closing click. Okay. See here, this ready function I should close. This is the outer function. We'll close it later. Function, these two braces, this brace I'm closing here, and this function I'm closing here. Okay. And this brace, so
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಒಂದೇ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು
ಅಲ್ವಾ? Last this I'm closing here. This brace. I think this much is enough, because this ready I'm closing at the end here. This ready function. 2, 1, 2. This is closing here. This closing here. So this is out. This is ready function. So inside the ready function only we have to write all this functionalities. So this click I have closed here. This brace and this click. Okay. And again the second click. I have closed here. Brace. And this is for ready function. Ready function and this. Correct now? Document function, hide.click function. Right. Show. Yes, students, it is correct only, but ID, hide ID show. Yes, students, can you see any mistake? Document.ready function, hide. Click function. Show dot click function here I have opened, and this brace I'm closing here. This. Yes, students, no mistake. A mistake was nothing was wrong. I don't know why it was not showing. For this, now I'm getting the output for the same code. Yes, yes, students, see here. This is a ready function. Whatever the code we write inside the ready function only we have to write. Here the opening of a ready function. This is the opening brace and this is the opening flower bracket. And here, don't get confused. Click function we are opening here. Click function, the simple bracket and the flower bracket. Here, after this hide, close it here only. And this show function, for show function, click simple bracket and flower bracket. Close the simple bracket and flower bracket here. And this is the closing of this ready function. This is the closing of a ready function. Now for hide, I have given a delay. For show, I have not given any delay. Hide. So 1000 milliseconds I have given the delay. So little slowly it is hiding. But for show function, I have not given any delay. It is not taking fraction of seconds. So immediately, quickly, when I click on the show button, it is showing the data. Yes? Understood? Yes, students? Hide and?
Yes, ma'am.
And this technique, students, this button, previously I have not used button, I have not used the ID directly, the button I have taken. If you are using a single button, you can do that. If you use more than one button, then it will be in a confusion which button to take, whether to take show button or to take hide button. So if I am using a single button, then there will be no confusion. There will be no confusion. If I use more than one button, then there will be a confusion. So we have to use a ID values. We have to use a ID values. So next we have a toggle function. So toggle function means in a single button you can do show and hide. You can use show and hide. So for which function you want to you are using this for which data you are using this toggle function is for this p tag. For this p tag, I am implementing toggle. So the content of a p tag is a statement. So toggle between hiding and showing the paragraphs. So the two paragraphs are there. This is a paragraph with little content and this is another small paragraph. So two paragraphs are there or two lines are there. Now I'm clicking on the button. So the content is hidden and now I click on the same button, the content will show. The toggle using a single button, the toggling. So showing and hiding. So that you can, so no need to, here what happens, no need to take two buttons to show and to hide. So in the single button only you can do that. That is, you can do using toggle function. Using toggle function, you can do that. Same code, students. No much difference. The same ready function, the button, and the p tag. P tag with a function. P dot toggle. P dot toggle. Some more examples are there, students. I'll do it in the next class.
Ma'am, there is a question in chat box, ma'am.
Okay. Basic requirements for examination. See, students, project means what? There some ideas you have to implement there. See, if you do a small project also, if you do a larger project also, the demonstration will be same. Yes, whatever from the scratch, whatever you have done, you need to explain in the exam. And this is a mini project. You have to run and show your project, how your project is running. So the main thing is the running of your project. You have to demonstrate your project. You have to run and show all the functionalities of your project. And the main thing is the examiner may ask you to do the validations. Languages, yeah. Generally what happens in mini project, whatever you are studying in your current semester or in the previous semester, using those technologies, you have to implement the mini project. Yes, mini project you can develop using .NET also, but still you have not studied .NET. Yes, so whatever the technologies or languages or programming languages you have studied in the previous semester and you are studying in the current semester, using that you need to implement the. You can use HTML, JavaScript, and DBMS now. There is nothing like basic requirements. You have to demonstrate your complete project. What basic requirement? I'm not understanding. What is the meaning of that basic requirement? Demonstration means from the beginning, from the working of the project, you need to explain, and you have to run the project. While running your project, we do not know what type of question the examiner may ask. Again, it is similar to it is like Viva in the examination.
Ma'am, I think he is asking what is the basic thing we need to include in the project.
See, the main thing is some stuff should be there in the project, in your project. For example, the hotel management. The hotel management means just if you take if you develop a website of your hotel, and if you with some attractive flowers, attractive pictures, attractive images, the facilities, the rooms, if you just include that we cannot say it is a project. So project means a booking should be there for a rooms, and different facilities should be there in the room. AC rooms will be there, non-AC rooms will be there, and the menu display should be there, and any offers, any discount should be there. Something should be there in the website. Some stuff should be there in the website. Here, main thing, you have to develop a website using HTML and JavaScript. And you are learning DBMS, so you have to create a database also. And one more example I'll take, the news aggregator. So just if you give some flash news, then that is not enough. So see, students, only this you have to this group 9, Charan and Rahmatullah, you have to show the dynamic web page. If you do a static web page, there is no use. In 1 hour only you can do this.
Yeah, ma'am, I know.
Here there is no validation, just a news you are giving. If you give a static news, then there is no use. Like that, some stuff should be there in your project. Yes, Sri Vishnu, you got some input? Sri Vishnu. Okay. Yes, students, any doubt? Students, answer your attendance. 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8.
Yes, ma'am.
Just think, students, one important thing I want to tell that the syllabus, I think you know you have your first internals.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll continue the attendance later. First, let me tell the syllabus. Yes, students, the syllabus for your first internals is module 1 and module 2. Basics of HTML and CSS, cascading style sheet and JavaScript. The syllabus for first test is module 1 and module 2. The syllabus for first test is module 1 and module 2, students. USN 6. USN 6. Who is USN 6?
Yes, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
8.
Yes, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
11.
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
13.
Present, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
16. 16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
She's present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 18.
Present, ma'am.
19. 20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Present, ma'am.
24. 24. 25.
Present, ma'am.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
27. 28.
Ma'am, 27, Lavanya, present, ma'am.
Okay. 28.
24, present, ma'am.
27
I
present,
know.
ma'am.
28. 28.
Ma'am, present, ma'am. 28 present.
Okay. 29.
Present, ma'am.
30.
Present, ma'am.
31.
Present, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
33.
Present, ma'am.
34.
Present, ma'am.
35.
Yes, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
37.
Yes, ma'am.
38.
Present, ma'am.
39.
Present, ma'am.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
41. 'Sai Kumar, absent, huh? 41,
Present, ma'am.
absent. 42.
Present, ma'am. 41 present, ma'am.
Okay. 43.
Present, ma'am.
44.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
48.
Present, ma'am.
49. 49.
Present, ma'am.
Someshri. 50.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. 51.
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
Mic issue.
Okay. 52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present, ma'am.
54.
Present, ma'am.
55.
Present, ma'am.
56.
Present, ma'am.
57.
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
okay, student.
41 psych mark present, ma'am.
Okay, I mark present. Okay, students, I'll stop here. Still, if you have any doubt in mini project, you can ask. Okay, Sushmita, I marked. Okay, students, I'll stop here. See you in the next class.